Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you're new here. Today, I'm going to be so short and sweet in this intro because I'm about to change your life with the most simple curly hair routine. You're going to be shocked when you realize these results are a result of one product only. No leave-in, no mousse, no curl creams, just one botanical aloe vera based gel and water, and a dream. I spent years trying to figure out what works for me. And let me tell you, I figured it out. I figured it out to have the best results in the least amount of time and effort possible. Trust me, I'm a girl of efficiency and I've done the work for you, so I'm here now to share it with you. And before we even continue, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. What are some products that are game changer products for you that you finally found and everything has been amazing with your hair? It works really well. Or any techniques that you use that have changed everything for you? I would love to know. Mention it in the comments. The more tips and advice that we can share, the better. So let's have a little chat down there and help each other out. So quick context, I like to do my curly hair routine in 2 days. The first day is wash, brush styling, setting with my heat, like the diffuser. And then the next day, I like to separate the curls, pick out my roots, and add all the volume. All right, now let's step back into the past. Let's go to yesterday where I start off the whole routine. And I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know to get the best results possible. See you over there. Shampooed my hair. This week I'm going to be using K18. This is one of my favorite hair masks, mainly because I forgot to replenish the shampoo and conditioner I normally use, which is the Redken All Soft Curls. I'm gonna put a picture up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I ran out. I used a random old shampoo, and for the conditioner, if you're gonna use this mask, it acts like a conditioner. So I shampooed, my hair has been towel drying for the past little while. Now I'm gonna apply the K18. So I like to do 2 pumps on each side to start off. So I did 2 pumps on each side, and then I'm gonna do 1 more pump for both sides. But you're supposed to pump it out and make sure you're moving your hands together to make a little bit of a paste so that you can evenly distribute. And now we wait 4 minutes, and then we can go in and style as usual. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do to get the best curls possible. Okay, the 4 minutes are done. Let's get into the curly hair routine. Before I start what I'm about to start, which is re-wetting my hair and adding in my gel, my favorite gel, which is this aloe vera based gel. Aloe vera is the second ingredient in this gel. You guys saw in the intro, the results, amazing. The hold, great. This is Earth Tones Naturals Curl Enhancing Jelly. Absolute my favorite. This is a Canadian black owned brand, but it does ship to the US. Maybe some other countries, but I'm not 100% sure, so definitely check this out. If there's any product that I need to take to a deserted island and I only get to choose one, it's her. Okay, now I'm about to start styling my hair by re-wetting it, brushing it out, and putting the gel in. When you're doing your curly hair routine, I really recommend you doing this step in the shower. So normally you would shampoo and conditioner using regular rinse out conditioner. Stay in the shower, and while your hair is still soaking wet, brush your hair out, define your curls, and add your gel in the shower. Trust me, that water that is already in the hair makes the biggest difference. My best wash days, my best curly results are always when I'm not filming, because to film I have to come out and show you guys what I'm doing. So on the days where I'm not filming and I'm doing my curls in the shower, chef's kiss, those curls always look good. I don't know what it is about the process of re-wetting the hair, but it's just not the same. So trust me when I say use a lot of water and mix that with the gel, you're going to be set. So let's begin. This is the brush I'm going to be using. This is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. It's Brush with the Best. I got this from her website. That's one of my favorite brushes. I do want to try the bounce curl brush, but I have not gotten around to getting that yet. Alrighty, I like to save the front for last. So I'm gonna kind of take these front pieces and the side and wrap this out the way. Spray bottle and re-wet this to soaking wet. I feel like you guys can't even fully see how long. Let me bring you down. So I'm going like this, and I'm not hearing a sound. The roots need love too. The water is dripping from my hair. This is exactly what we want, and then I'm gonna section off, and it's time for us to add the gel in. This is a brand new jar too. Oof. This much. And I'm just raking it in. And you guys, I don't know if you can see this on camera, the water is dripping everywhere. That's what you need, I promise you. Hear that? Let me come closer. That's what you gotta hear. Make sure you get the roots. And now I'm gonna start brush styling. I'm gonna start from the bottom here, taking this piece. Now, the smaller the sections are, the better. And I just twirl my hair like this and drop it. Curling my brush and adding tension. And now I'm just gonna and send that back. And I really like to do this raking motion with my hair so that I'm smoothing the product and the water together. So we want to hear. All right, so this side of the head is done. Now I'm gonna repeat the same exact steps on this side of my head, everything exactly the same, water, gel, brush style. I'll be back. I've done both sides. I'm gonna be working on the front now. So the way to style the front really comes down to preference. If you like a middle part, go ahead and part it in the middle and style. I've actually been leaning away from the middle part because I want a little bit more volume, and I find when I brush the curls back this way without fully defining my middle part, I get more volume. Totally up to you, but I do like to do my front pieces separate because I think I have a little bit of heat damage somewhere on this side, so it needs a little extra help curling up. So whether you're doing a middle part or no middle part, do the front part of your hair separately so you can really focus on defining the curls as much as possible, because these are the pieces that are the most important because they're right at the front. Now guys, a great indicator that you're doing this right is your bathroom looks like a mess. There's water and gel all over the place. Hate that, but it's worth it for amazing results, okay? There's not much, to be honest. Okay, front piece is done. This is what we are working with. Next step for defined, long-lasting curls, heat. You have to set your curls with heat, either by a hooded dryer, which is probably the best way because it's less effort. Just put the hooded dryer on, sit there until your curls are dry. Alternatively, a diffuser. Now, the most annoying part of the curly hair routine is diffusing to me. The styling process honestly took me about 10-15 minutes. It was super fast. Diffuser is where it's gonna take at least minimum 20 minutes to dry the hair enough to where I'm satisfied and the rest can air dry. Because the hair is soaking wet and we're going straight in with the diffuser, we're not giving it time to dry a little bit before, it does take longer to dry. But in my opinion, it is worth it. It's worth it to sit there and hold the diffuser for 20 minutes-ish, 25 minutes. And sometimes I'll sit on the edge of the bathtub. It's easier than standing and holding it the whole time. Very annoying, but very necessary. It's worth it to invest that 20 minutes so that the hair dries, the cast for the gel, like the cast is formed from the heat on the gel. And like I said, your curls are gonna last all week. It's not gonna budge. I'm not having to refresh or anything during the week. This took about 30 minutes. Also, keep in mind, my hair is really long right now, so if you have shorter hair, it will not take you this long. But I like where we are right now. I can tell the curls are gonna be cute tomorrow. We got some good definition in the front. Remember, we focused on the front. I feel a cast on there. So that's it for right now. We are at 95% dry. You also want to do your curly hair routine early in the day. Do it first thing in the morning or very early afternoon. Once you're done diffusing, you have all day for the rest of your hair to dry before you go to bed. Because if you go to bed and your hair is still wet, you're gonna mess up your curl pattern. It's not gonna look cute. The results are not gonna be optimal. Give yourself enough time for your curls to dry. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like and how we're gonna add some volume for the week. Bye. So it's the next day. Let's finish up the curly hair routine. I went to sleep with it in a upside down pineapple, but I was running around this morning, so I put it in a clip. First of all, my hair smells divine. Oh, that's good. Very defined, very moisturized, very shiny. Are you guys seeing the shine? Amazing. All right, so first we're gonna start off with a little bit of oil. You can use any lightweight oil. I don't have a preference for a favorite. It's usually whatever I have on hand, but a very, very lightweight oil. And I'm gonna go around and slowly start separating my curls. And this is gonna add a volume because these larger chunks are gonna start separating into smaller curls. This is one of the most satisfying parts for me. It's so therapeutic. Okay, this side has been separated, and then for reference, we have this side that hasn't been separated, so you can see right away there's a difference in the volume on each side, but both still have amazing definition. So I'm going to continue on this side. All right, both sides are done. We got a lot of volume. Curls are defined. Good balance of definition and volume. Last step, we're gonna pick our roots to create even more volume. So how I like to do this is you slide the pick down at your roots, like the pick is going like this, except you're inside and you're lifting. Do that very slowly, especially if it's your first time, just to get the hang of the movement. But you're essentially teasing the roots so that your roots can lift. Flip over. The pick is sliding against the scalp and then going up. And I'm going to slow it down. And pull up. Yeah. Right away you can see the roots are a bit more lifted than they were when we first started. Can never ever skip that step, and you can do that on the daily if your curls need a little boost. All right guys, and that's it. Like, this is the most simple, time efficient curly hair routine to ever exist. The only one you will ever need, one gel product, nothing else. No leave-in, no curl cream, no mousse. That one aloe vera based gel, my favorite gel in the world. Set that with some heat, style on very wet hair, and that's it. Literally, that's it. Let me show you the back. And the best part again is these curls are gonna last for days. I don't have to worry about my hair for another week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys give this a try. Try all the techniques that I mentioned, and if you can, try that gel. It works really, really well. It's my all-time favorite gel. Every time I stray, I come right back to her. But I hope you guys try this out. Let me know in the comments what you think if you do, and tell a friend. Phone a friend. No, I'm just playing, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.